Hello, my name is Nicolas Severyns. This is a video of my final project for CS50. I decided to make a static portfolio website for photographers. So here I have a folder with JPEGs I want to make a portfolio gallery of. First thing that I have to do is copy all these folders into this image directory. Enter personal data. So I have this config file. I have to change site name. It's my website, author name, and footer information. Once we filled in all these data, we can run the following script, the reload sh script. This script will run the program itself, the Python program that creates the entire website, and will then run a local web server in which you can check the final result of your the resulting website. So we will do that. Okay, and here you see local server serving your website on localhost 8000. Okay, that's the result. So you see I created like 3 galleries. If I open like this gallery, it creates a first gallery with all the pictures of the first folder. Yes. And it creates also a link to the next gallery. And this is the last gallery. I uploaded 3 galleries. You can of course upload more galleries. And then you also can click on the individual pictures. And then you get to see all the pictures. There is a possibility, of course, to make some changes into this. Maybe you don't like this picture to start the gallery, or you would like to start the gallery with a landscape picture for layout purposes. Or maybe you want to add a markdown page with an about page or another page. Okay, we will do that. It also generates YAML files that we can change. For example, this image, yes, you can give it a title, duck. And for the other gallery, I want to change the featured picture into another one. Having entered this information, I can now reload my website. Okay, so you see, it chose another featured picture for this one. And last thing is we have to upload everything, the upload Python script. Yeah, wow, great. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.